Hi everyone, it's Yamchan Food. This time, I'm gonna share you how to make dipping soup for ZARU-SOBA. ZARU-SOBA is a chilled noodles dish that we usually eat in the summertime. Soba noodles are made from buckwheat flour. It's easy to eat soba noodles even when you lose your appetite in the hot summer. Alright, let's get started. Ingredients. First of all, put 100 ml of soup stock. Add 20 ml of soy sauce. Add 25 ml of mirin. Bring it to a boil. When it boils, heat it for a few minutes over low heat. If you eat ZARU-SOBA immediately, chill the soup in ice water. Boil water. Add soba and boil for 4 to 5 minutes. Drain hot water, rinse them thoroughly with running tap water to get rid of any excess starch. Chill them in ice water to have a firm texture. Drain the water well. Dish up the soba noodles. ZARU-SOBA noodles are ready. Sprinkle nori seaweed. Add condiments such as wasabi and chopped green onions to the dipping soup if you like. Mix it well so that wasabi doesn't collect on the bottom. Making slurping sound is a Japanese custom when eating noodles, but it's considered rude in some countries, so we Japanese have to be careful when going abroad. In Japan, it's not rude to make a slurping sound only when drinking piping hot soup or eating noodles other than spaghetti. However, it's considered bad manners to open your mouth and make sounds when eating normal meals. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!